Hi there. Today we are going to look at two little words, been and gone. Both are past participles but don't have the same meaning. We use been to talk about complete visits. For example, she has been to Paris, which means she visited Paris sometime in the past and now she's back again home. We need to be careful with the pronunciation. When we use been in a sentence, we don't pronounce it as been, but we pronounce it as been. She's been to Paris. But she's gone to Paris means she has gone to Paris, but she has not returned back home. To sum up, been means you go somewhere and you return. Gone means you go somewhere but you do not return.